I have this, I believe, PHIXTON flashlight here that I got from Amazon a while back. I think I've been having it for a little bit over a year, maybe even more now. I haven't. I usually keep it in the car. I haven't really used it that much, but when I have, it's been really useful. I just have it, in case of an emergency. But this is what it looks like here. And this is a little, I think this version is a little older, so I think they might have updated it a little bit. But you can zoom in and zoom out, just pull and push here. And easy as just pushing this button right here to turn it on and off. And I believe you plug it in to charge. You pull this up and you charge it right here, which I think is pretty cool. So this comes with the charger, right? You can charge it at home, or you can either charge it in your car as well. And I just wanted to show you guys how bright this flashlight is. So I have my window open, so I have natural light coming in, but I just want to show you guys how bright this thing is. So you can imagine how bright it is at night. And this is what I was, when you zoom in, you can make it like that, or you can just make it like a wide thing right here. But really cool. I think the highest setting is 1000 looms, which is what you're looking at now. Once you turn it off and turn it back on, it goes a little softer, and then I believe softer. And there's another mode, I believe. Yeah, blinking. And this is a high one again. So